Hi everyone, Divya Pandit here. So here we start with our next zodiac sign, that is Virgo. Virgo, June 2024. Virgos are feeling a little irritable. They're not feeling mentally calm right now. They're seeking. This is the message I'm getting. They're seeking answers from everywhere. Why this happened to me? Why am I going through this? Why this bad state? You know? They're going through a very spiritual experience right now. First week, second week, third week, and fourth week. Okay. So Virgos in June, it's a good kickstart for you. Things are really happening well for you. Okay. Things are moving. You'll get work. Some work is coming in, towards you through a male member. But when it concerns your child, if you have a son or a daughter, whatever, if it concerns your child, somewhere you will face some kind of disappointment in the first week. Second week is good energy. Money is coming in, family is fine. It's a good energy. Lot of investments you're doing for long term. Third week again is coming with growth. Group of people, you will be working with 3-4 people. People are helping you to grow. You will be all in your power and confidence. You will meet a lady who's very confident and who's very fiery, who will guide you through this. Okay, who might give you some support in this work growth of yours. Okay. Fourth week is again feeling fulfilled, feeling happy, feeling contented, pampering yourself because things are moving in your favor. Only thing is, in first week you need to take care of your kids. Some disappointment you might face. Rest, I think this whole month of June, first week, second week, third week, fourth week is very good money wise, work wise. Fourth week I also see a lot of contentment, luxury, probably pampering yourself. Also could be that whoever has an elder sister or a mother who might come forward to pamper you. Okay, but please take care of your ego. Do not show your ego, because that kind of message I'm getting kind of can be a little block. Okay, so I think fairly good month for work, growth, money. I think good month. Okay, let's see what we have in your relationship area. Now let's talk first about your blocks. Your blocks is that even if your dreams come true with whoever you want to be with, you are not taking the lead. You're expecting that person to take the lead. Your lot of self-worth issue is showing, and I feel you need to show more love to yourself first, then others. Okay, believe in yourself and take a lead in within yourself and towards your partner. Okay, you're rebuilding a relationship. People who are married, they are trying to rebuild relationship with their partner. They are putting a little efforts, and they are also you are constantly seeing feathers, coins, or maybe some signs from the angels. They're trying to tell you something. So please keep a close eye, notice everything. I feel in your relationship, people who are already in a relationship, you've still not decided. Ego plays a very big part here. If you're still confused and you still want to put yourself above everyone and try to function out of ego, then things won't improve. If you are keeping your ego aside and you are working with open heart and putting some effort in the relationship, things will work out very well. Okay, here I feel people who are single. Okay, people who are single, there's wheel changing for them. You are learning a lot about unconditional love. Okay, I can see a lot of bonds strengthening. Now this could be not just in love relationship, but in your family relationship, friends also, in every area. I feel you're manifesting for unconditional love, and you're learning to trust. You have a lot of choices in front of you, but you want to only go for the person who loves you without any conditions. Yes, you're observing, but I think still not decided. So you will take more time to decide as to whom you choose in your life. Okay. Many people will come into committed relationship, they will, but at the same time, they will be very careful about it. New doors, lot of options and new doors are opening for you. Right, Virgo? So this is a beautiful reading. Good month for you. Good growth. Okay. Just take care of. I think in relationship area you will still take time to decide. But I feel that people who have kids, please take care of your kids. A problem could be there. Work, money is going to be absolutely fine. Let's see what message we have from Ganesh. Oh, nurturing. You need to nurture again. See, you need to give more love and nurturing to your child if you have a child, or if you don't have a child, then you need to give that to yourself. And Ganeshji is helping you in that area. Okay, that's a beautiful message. That's all for today. See you again with more videos. I've been putting a lot of shorts, so please go and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Lot of pick a card readings on my shorts, and don't forget to email me for paid appointments. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Take care.